Let's go through the ingredients first. Here I have split green gram. Then I have ginger and some chilies. Here I have salt and cold pressed rapeseed oil. Take 2 cups of split green gram. Wash it 2 to 3 times. Soak it in water for at least 7 to 8 hours or overnight. Take the soaked lentils. Add little bit of water, not too much. Add chilies as per taste. Cut a piece of ginger and add it. Blend everything to form a smooth paste. In a pan, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Adding oil is optional, it just gives it a crunchy texture. Add the oil to the batter. It's a healthier option than the deep fried ones. Mix it well. Now split green gram is high in protein, rich in fiber and antioxidants, keeps the bone healthy and reduces bad cholesterol. Add salt to taste and mix it. 100 grams of split green gram contains almost 315 kilocalories. Now air fry small portions of the batter at 200 degrees for 7 minutes. Since they have been air fried, so this would be the shape. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.